Hello everyone， 你们好，我是 Tizzy 陈老师。你们今天好吗？ I celebrated my birthday recently, and I want to share my day with you in Mandarin. In this mini lesson, you will learn some words and sentences about food and places. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome! I do a podcast and mini lessons for beginners and intermediate learners. If you want to practice your listening skills, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new videos. Now, let's get started. 火锅，买菜，青菜，菇，豆腐，虾，牛肉，饺子，亚洲，超市，咖啡店，生日蛋糕。火锅，吃火锅，买菜，亚洲，超市，亚洲超市。我去亚洲超市买菜。我买青菜、菇、豆腐、虾、牛肉和饺子。咖啡，喝咖啡，咖啡店。我去咖啡店喝咖啡。蛋糕，生日蛋糕。我去咖啡店买生日蛋糕。Hello everyone! Today is January 24th. It is my birthday. So, today I'm going to do something fun. Let's go! 我去亚洲超市买菜。我买青菜，菇，豆腐，虾，牛肉，和饺子。 我喜欢去亚洲超市买菜。我去咖啡店买生日蛋糕。我最喜欢的咖啡店叫 Viet Cardin。我喜欢吃火锅。我的生日是1月24号。你的生日是几月几号？我喜欢吃火锅。你呢？我住在斯德哥尔摩。斯德哥尔摩有亚洲超市。我喜欢去亚洲超市买菜。你住在哪里？你的城市有亚洲超市吗？你喜欢去亚洲超市买菜吗？我喜欢去咖啡店喝咖啡。我最喜欢的咖啡店叫 Viet Cardin。你呢？你喜欢去咖啡店喝咖啡吗？你最喜欢的咖啡店叫什么名字？ So, that's all for today's lesson. You are welcome to share your answers in the comment section below. If you like this mini lesson, please give me a thumbs up. In the next mini lesson, you are going to learn the names of some fruits and make a popular Taiwanese fruit dessert in Mandarin. You are welcome to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos from me. See you next time. 再见。